Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
5.
What did the pizza chef say when he dropped a meat lover's pie? I never saw such a tragedy.
4.
How do you know when you're in love? They steal a piece of your heart.
3.
What type of cheese do dogs love on pizza? Mozzarella.
2.
Pizza walks into a bar and orders a drink. Sorry, we don't serve food here.
1.
I have a joke about pizza and a broken pencil. Unfortunately, it's cheesy and pointless. Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.